Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today Samsung has started the One UI 8 beta program, and if you're in the US, this beta program is available on all S25 series devices except for the S25 Edge. As of the time of recording, the S25 Edge is still in is still in pre-order, so the beta is not available for it as of right now. That may change when the phone is actually released, but as of right now, not available for the S25 Edge. It is only also available to T-Mobile and unlocked devices, and that comes directly from Samsung. So that information, it will not be available to other carriers like Verizon or AT&T. Right here on the lock screen, we can see some of the first changes, and that is now that Do Not Disturb will now show up on the Now bar. So if you have Do Not Disturb enabled, it will show on the Now bar. I wanted to show you that before I unlock here, but we'll go into we're actually going to go into the Samsung Members app, and I'm going to show you how to install the beta if you don't already have it. And if you don't have it, there's going to be a card up here for the One UI 8 beta program. It is going to detail all the procedures and stuff for participating in the program. It also goes over the new beta program home, which I'll go to in a second. And if you scroll to the bottom, you can go to the beta program home. You can also find the beta program home on the main page. If you're already enrolled in the beta, that is going to be on the top. If you're not enrolled in the beta, it's going to be down here on the bottom of the list. But if we go into the beta program home here, it used to say up here that no beta programs are available. Now it shows the One UI 8 S25 beta. It says joined. If you're not already in it, then it will say open. So when you pop in here, this isn't what it's going to look like at first. You'll get the enrollment stuff where you go through a couple pages and enroll, agree to the terms and stuff like that. Once you have enrolled and it does say join, you can come back here. You can go to check for software updates, and it will check for the update and download One UI 8 onto your device. Obviously, we already have it, so that is already done. You can see beta notices here. So it'll just give you information and stuff like that about the beta, and just information that you may find helpful. You can give beta feedback from here, and you can also view the beta community from here, which has tips, discussion, suggestions. It's basically like a forum for all things beta related. There's beta tips down here, which basically goes over how to use the beta program home, how to roll back if you want to go back to One UI 7, how to update. All that kind of stuff is right here in the beta program home this year. So very, very helpful. Another change this year is if you leave the beta program, you can rejoin the beta program. It used to be that once you left the beta program, you were out of the beta program and you couldn't get any more updates for the beta until the stable software release. So that has been changed for One UI 8. Some other stuff that is new is we do have some new modes and routines stuff. So if we go in here and we go to routines and we go to add one, then we now have access to weather. Weather, Samsung Notes, reminders, and calendar are stuff that can pop up as a then action for a routine. So if an alarm goes off, you can have the weather, displayed, or the current temperature or weather forecast or whatever the case may be. You can have that shown, when you wake up or something like that via a routine automatically. So stuff like that is available. You can have it, show you your reminders. So when you wake up, you automatically see your reminders and that kind of stuff as well. So that can be pretty helpful. We have an updated weather app. Instead of the little kind of cartoonish figure walking in the background, we do have a better background here that looks more realistic, and the person back there also looks more realistic. So that is something new in the weather app right there. Widgets can also be 4 rows long now instead of just 3. So Samsung widgets can take up a little bit more space if you want them to. There are some new camera upgrades. We have some new stuff like that. If you use AI Select, the lagginess of AI Select has been fixed. We have some changes to the Quick Share, which I don't use Quick Share, so I don't really have anywhere to show that right now. But they did update the Quick Share UI as well. So those are some of the things that are new here within One UI 8. Again, there's not much new. This is kind of more a One UI 7.1 update, in my opinion. We skipped One UI 7.1 this year because One UI 7 was so late. So I think this is kind of the 7.1 update that they're just calling One UI 8 just to catch back up with things. But here's the changelog, basically the stuff I just went over. Camera, security, privacy, that kind of stuff. Not too much new. There's really no UI changes or anything like that, other than like the navbar stuff that I showed you guys. So that is One UI 8 on my S25 Ultra, and that is how you can install it right now if you want to try out the beta. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.